guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back home in Canada, and when I was editing this video I realised I actually didn't film as much footage as I would like to, and just felt the video was way too short just to make a regular vlog out of it. So what I'm going to do an honest review about Universal Studios, and I'm also going to do a quick comparison from Universal Studios Hollywood to the one in Orlando. Just a quick reminder, I do have a ton of videos to get through and I'm kind of trying to catch up to them, but if you do want to see my future videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. So Universal Studios was actually opened well before Orlando, so it was opened all the way back to 1964. Whereas the one in Orlando, it's fairly new, it was opened in the 90s. So with both Universals, they are based on Hollywood, they're based on movies and sets, and you definitely see it more emphasised in Universal Hollywood. Much of the park is pretty much the same. The ball is definitely different compared to Orlando, but pretty much a lot of it is still the same. You still have the land of Hogwarts, you still have the Simpsons land, and pretty much all the rides are pretty similar as well. So Universal Hollywood is divided into two lots, so there's the lower lot and then there's the upper lot as well. And if you go down to the lower lot, which is a lot of escalators by the way, then you get to the more adventurous rides. You have the Revenge of the Mummy, you have Jurassic World, and you have Transformers. There's only 3 rides down there. I hope they do expand on that because it is quite a small area, and then you have to go on the escalators all the way back up again to the rest of the park. And of course the key difference between Universal Studios Hollywood and Florida is in Hollywood you can do the studio tour. So Universal Hollywood is actually within the grounds of real working movie studios. The studio tour is about an hour long and it takes you around to different parts of the studios, it takes you to the stages. It's not just a boring tour on the bus going around and saying this is this, this is that. You actually get some interactions as well, so you get to see some horror movie characters, you also get to see Jaws, and you get to experience what it's like being in the middle of a disaster movie, and it's really fun. They show you different props and they also explain what films were shot and where, and it's really actually interesting, and it didn't feel like a whole hour, it actually felt a lot faster than that, so I definitely recommend checking that out. They also had a couple of live shows as well. I didn't film any, but there was one show, it was about special effects and the movie magic, and that was 100% brilliant, and I definitely should recommend checking that out. It's all about behind the scenes, how they do certain effects in movies, and how they've developed over the years as well. The main key difference between Orlando and Hollywood is size. So Universal Studios in Hollywood is quite small. Now they are built around a real working set, so it's not like they can expand that much, but the one in Orlando, it's divided into 2 different parks. You have Universal Studios and you have Islands of Adventure as well. And I think the one in Orlando is more focused on rides and entertainment, and there's definitely a lot more happening in Orlando because it's bigger. We went during the quiet season as well, so the park wasn't actually that busy. We didn't have that long of a wait time between rides. We pretty much got the whole park done within a day, whereas in Universal Orlando you probably need about 2, maybe 3 days to get the entire park done because it's that big. So I really enjoyed my time in Universal Hollywood, and I definitely recommend it to everyone to check it out, and it does give you a more in-depth experience into the actual real working movie kind of land, whereas Orlando it's more about the fun and the rides as well. So that's just a quick insight into Universal Studios Hollywood. I hope you really enjoyed this video. So my next video is going to be in Disneyland in California, and I can't wait to share that with you. So again, if you want to keep up to date with my latest videos, make sure you hit subscribe down below. You can also leave a comment if you'd like, and you can also give this video a big thumbs up as well if you did enjoy. Also, if you want to be the first to know of my upcoming adventures, I'm also on social media, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. All the links are down below in the description. And I'll see you for the next video. Bye!